How to hide offline friends in Riot. Hello everyone, welcome back to Gameplay Classic. In this video, we will be learning how to clean up your friend list by hiding offline friends on Riot. First of all, open up the Riot app on your device and log into your account. Once you're in, go ahead and click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner and click on the gear icon at the top right and select social. Inside the social tab under friend list, tap on hide offline friends button, this one, and make sure that it is ticked in red. After you toggle on the hide offline friends option, only friends online will appear in your list, nice and clean. You can toggle it on or off anytime, depending on whether you want to see everyone or just online friends. So that's it. Your friend list is now organized, showing only who's online and ready to play. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.